3-thread rolled hemming. Turn the power switch off. Raise the presser foot lifter. Turn the hand wheel toward you to raise the needle to its highest position. Remove the left needle thread. Place the needle holder on the needle. Loosen the needle clamp screw with the screwdriver. Remove the left needle. Partially tighten the needle clamp screw. Open the looper cover and side cover. Set the upper knife to down position. Push the cutting width adjusting dial to the right and hold in place. Move the chaining finger switch knob to the R guideline. Release the cutting width adjusting dial to the left gently. Set the upper knife to up position. Slide the lower looper pre-tension setting slider to rolled hemming. Set the changeable thread guide to 3 or 4 thread serging. Close the looper cover and side cover. Set the stitch length dial to R. Set the differential feed dial to 1.0. Set the lower looper thread tension dial to 3.5. Set the upper looper thread tension dial to 3. Set the right needle thread tension dial to 3.5. Turn the power switch on. Lower the presser foot lifter. Draw the threads to the back under the foot. While pulling the thread chain slightly to the back, run the machine slowly to produce a thread chain of 2 inches. Insert the fabric under the toe of the foot. Start sewing slowly. The fabric will automatically be fed. When stitching is complete, continue to run the machine slowly to produce a thread chain of about 5 inches. Cut the threads with the thread cutter, leaving about a 2-inch thread chain on the end of the fabric. Check the results of the sewing test and adjust the thread tension.